Sitting on a riverboat, having a party, me and my Cajun queen. She's turning 21 on the Mississippi River, headed down to New Orleans. The year is 1894. Come on, mama, and love me some more. Her dark eyes flash like a gambler's rings. She shakes her pretty head and sings. Life for me is a riverboat fantasy, watching the sun go down. A rock and roll band and a reefer in my hand. Now look at that wheel spinning round. Cocaine kisses and moonshine misses, that's the life for me. I'm sailing away from my heartache on a riverboat fantasy. Can't think, can't drink any more whiskey. Could have drunk a river dry. This old boat's just sitting in the moonlight, catching the gleam in her eye. Showers of rain come pouring down, sky full of stars like a French lace gown. Shimmer, glimmer, I think I'm gonna fall. Catch me, mama, that's all. Delta sun beats down like a hammer. It's got the low-down blues. Got a cotton gin, a weave and spin. Now I'm shaking the dust from my shoes. I made me some money, I found me a honey to tickle me under my chin. When the morning comes, I'm gonna ride into town and worry about the shape I'm in. Life for me is a riverboat fantasy, watching the sun go down. A rock and roll band and a reefer in my hand. Now look at that wheel spinning round. Cocaine kisses and moonshine misses, that's the life for me. I'm sailing away from my heartache on a riverboat fantasy.